So let's implement the notification format for sending notification. So first thing is the header of the notification. String comma string, that is first we have key and then we have the value of it, which is in string format. So we can give it name as header notification. Then we have to write the header content type. Make sure to use the same key name with same capital letter and same small letters. In between we have dash. So it is application/Java. Then we have authorization. Authorization, basically here we need the FCM server token, Firebase Cloud Messaging Server Token. So inside the global dot, let's initialize a variable. To this we will give name as FCM server token. Now in here we have to add our token. So inside your Firebase project, if you click on this gear icon, go to the project settings, then go to the cloud messaging. Now inside the cloud messaging you will see this Firebase Cloud Messaging API, okay, and here you will see Cloud Messaging API legacy. It is disabled, so we have to enable it. Click here, then click on Manage API in Google Cloud Console. Click on that. It will redirect you to this page, which is cloud messaging. Simply click on enable. You have to just enable it. So it has been enabled successfully. Once it is enabled, then you can go back here, and if you refresh this now, then here you can see it is enabled and you will see this server key. So you have to just copy this server key, then come back to your project, and here you have to write key equals to and then paste your key which you copied. Okay, paste that key after this key equals to, just like this, as you see. And then let's come back here, and here we can say now FCM server token. So this is our notification header. Then comes notification body. Now in the notification body we have to define two things. First thing is the body. You have to use the same key name. So for example, what you want to write here in the push notification which you are sending. So you will say you have, that is the receiver will see this message. You have received a new $feature type. You know that it is either like or favorite or view. So it will be like you have received a new like, you have received a new view. Whatever the feature type is, it will just display that. From sender name, so the sender name will be written, and then we will say click to see the full notification, basically. Okay, and this notification will have some title. So in the title we will just say new feature type, that is either it is a like or favorite or view notification. So in the title the receiver will be able to see that. Then map, data map, you can say it is our data map for the notification. Now here basically we define some things related to the user ID, the sender ID, that is if you want to pass any key or any specific information which we want to receive on the receiver side. So the first thing which we have to write here is the click action. That is when the user tap on this push notification, we want to open up the app. So this is the click underscore action, the same keywords you have to use, okay? And then it is Flutter notification click. Then ID will be inside double quotes 1. Status, which will be done. And then information, which we will pass. So if you remember, I told you guys to use the same key names when we receive the notification. You see, when we receive it using user ID. So we will pass the user ID, and also the other one is the sender ID. So we have to pass the sender ID, and both of these we are receiving here, as you can see, by the same key names. Now this user ID is basically the receiver ID, and then we have the sender ID, which is basically the current user who is sending the notification. Then after the data map, we have the notification format. So we can say notification official format, which simply means according to the documentation, by the same key names, okay? So the notification is basically our body notification. The data is our data map. The priority for the notification will be high. To which device we are sending, so you already know we have the device token, user device token. To that specific device we are sending it, which is the receiver phone. So we have all the things now inside here, okay? That is body notification, data map, the priority is high for the notification, and the user device token, that is to which device we are sending it. So now is the time to just send it. So we will be sending it using the HTTP. We have to add the dependency for that, which is HTTP, okay, which is for sending a request, the post get, whenever we want to communicate with the API. So now what we can do is we can say HTTP dot as HTTP. So we can just say HTTP dot post, which means simply that send the notification. So using which API or where we are sending, you already know. Using Firebase Cloud Messaging we are doing it. First, for the URL we have to say URI dot parse, and we have to write our URL. So please type the same URL, which is https://fcm.googleapis.com/fcm/send. Don't worry, I will provide the source code, okay, from where you can copy it. Then body is JSON. We have to encode that, and the body you already know is basically notification official format. We encoded that. So this will send the notification. So we have successfully implemented our notification format, and now the user can send the notification to the receiver, that is on whom profile the user press the like button or mark someone as favorite, or even if the user views someone's profile.